Hello and welcome back to the channel again. You are watching BIM Basics and Beyond. Myself Amrit, BIM Engineer Electrical. In today's small video, we are going to learn what is type parameter and what is instance parameter. These two topics are very common topic, yet these two topics are very important. By understanding these two topics, you will be able to solve most of the problem related to parameters in coming in your near coming future or else in your model or in your project. So what first let me explain the type parameter. What is type parameter? So right now, as you can see, I am in the Revit environment. To find the type parameter, we for time being we are just creating a Revit element here. For example, for time being we are creating a cable tray over here. So I'm just given a command to Revit CT, and then by clicking CT, we have just drawn a cable tray over here by 300 into 100 mm. The file is in metric unit system right now. So as you can see, this is the cable tray I have just drawn. Let me enhance the visibility. Okay. So after clicking the cable tray, just see carefully. There is a there is in the left hand side. Here is the properties panel. Okay. In the properties panel, just see carefully. There is a little text written over here. Edit type. Just remember it that under this edit type tab, whatever you are currently seeing right now in this pop-up window, these all are type parameters of that cable tray. By changing each and whatever you are changing here, you are changing the type parameter of that same cable tray. Just remember, in the edit type, you can find the type parameters. Type parameters is equal to, you can say, the parameters inside the edit type. That's it. Now coming to the instance parameter. Again, I will click the cable tray, and you can see not going inside the edit type, but in the properties panel here are already some text, here are already some information over here in the properties panel, like for example identity data, dimensions, each of the dimension, there are some bunch of information over under the dimension tab, bunch of options over here under the identity data, bunch of under the phasing, bunch of under the IFC. So this whatever you are seeing right now in the here I am scrolling, you can see this all are instance parameter that we can change from properties palette, not going inside the edit type. So now the topic is the main agenda, and the main funda is like what is the difference between then edit type and instance parameters. The main difference is that if I change anything from here inside the edit type, from the type parameters, the same will be changed for all of the same properties, same families, same components of that element. For example, there are many cable trays in my model. There are many cable trays. There are many. Just assume that these are walls, these are duct, these are columns. So if I change one of the cable trace parameter, if I change one of the columns parameter from the edit type, if I change one of the walls parameter from the edit type, the same will be changed for each and every element of that Revit file. Understood? But instance is different. If I click this cable tray, For example, there is a column. Just assume this is a column. This is a wall. Assume this is a wall. So if I just click it, then if I just change it from the instance, from the properties palette here, the change will be only for this cable tray. The change will be only for this column. The change will be only for this whatever it will be. So the edit type, if we change anything from the edit type, it will be changed for all of the elements in the model in the project. But if we change anything from the properties palette, from the instance here, this is called instance parameter. These all are instance parameter. The same will be the change will be for only for the same element, not for the rest of them. So this is the short explanation about the type parameters and the instance parameter. And in the coming videos, we will explore more of the Revit features, more of the Revit, about everything related to BIM. Just make sure you subscribe the channel. That is very, very motivating for me to keep uploading videos in this channel. Let's see you guys in the next video. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम. Thanks.